Now we will move towards its second stanza. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed there terribly, transient feet. Sweet means attractive and pleasant. The meaning of terribly, I have already mentioned to you that it means great. And transient means mortal, only for short time, that came to an end very soon. Here, the poet want to say that was the time when the poet was not even born. At that time, her mother's face was very sweet and attractive. She was standing at the beach, and the sea has not changed much. But the mortal face means transient face of the mother seems to be have changed a lot of with the passage of time. The poet's mother and the two girl cousins stood there. The sea was washing their mortal feet. I hope second stanza is also clear to all of you. Now move towards our third stanza. Some 20-30 years later, she laughed at Snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she had said, and look how they dressed up for the beach. The sea holiday was her past. Mine is her laughter, but bright with the labored ease of loss. So here we know that there is a word fry. The meaning of frying that disappointed, that now they are sad for any ironical situation. Its meaning I will clear to you when we will do its explanation. 20 or 30 years passed since that photograph had been taken. Now whenever the mother looked at the photograph, she would laugh. She would point out to Dolly and Betty how they were dressed up by their parents for the sea holiday. That sea holiday had become a thing of the past for the mother, and that sweet laughter of the mother, which the photograph had captured, had become the poet's own past. Both of them suffered from a sense of loss. Ironically, both of them were laboring to ease the loss. Both we means the poet and her mother. They are disappointed whenever they see the photograph on the ironical situation that how they are dressed up for that day when they went to beach. But time is past now. So both of them were laboring to the ease of the loss. Laboring means achieved after a lot of hard work. Ease comfort. Now we will move towards our last stanza. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and one of and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. It silences. Now the poet says that her mother has been dead for years. She has been dead nearly as many years as she had lived. The poet has nothing to say about the circumstances of her death or about the situation captured in the photo. Silence only brings out deeper silences and make things mysterious. So, in this poem, we observe that the poet depicts its feelings whenever she looked at that photograph. So, in the first stanza of the poet's mother is shown as a 12 years old girl with a pretty and laughing face. There she went paddling with two girl cousins. This phase is before the poet's birth. The second phase described the middle-aged mother laughing at her own snapshot. The third phase described the chilling pall of silence that the death of the mother has left in the life of the poet. I hope this poem is now clear to all of you. Have a great day.